strong cold and constantly blocked nose? It could be an untreated infection. Try home remedies. If you look up and feel pressure pain in the forehead and nose area, have thick nasal congestion, and a constantly blocked nose, it may be a sign that your sinuses are unwell. This could be a lingering effect of an untreated upper respiratory tract infection. If these symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks, consult a specialist. Before doing so, try some proven home remedies. 1. Enjoy spicy spices. Frequently consume horseradish, garlic, or cayenne pepper. They contain decongestants, thin mucus, and speed up its drainage. Chili is rich in capsaicin, which improves mucous membrane circulation. 2. Do herbal inhalations. Inhaling steam from herbal infusions warms up and helps thin the secretions in the sinuses, facilitating their expulsion. The most effective infusions are chamomile and sage, known for their antibacterial properties. Pour essential oil into a bowl of hot water, add dried herbs, sage, chamomile, bend over the container, close your eyes, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the vapors through your nose and mouth. Inhalation should last 10 to 30 minutes. You can repeat this several times a day, but no more than 4 times. Inhalations help to thin secretions and cleanse the respiratory tract. 3. Suck sunflower oil. Daily gargling with sunflower oil, not immediately after eating, is effective in treating sinuses. Suck 3/4 of a tablespoon of oil as if you were brushing your front teeth. Breathe through your nose during this time. After 20 minutes, spit out the remnants and rinse your mouth and throat with water. Remember not to swallow the white residue in your mouth after the procedure. It is advisable to add a few drops of mint to the oil. After 14 to 18 days of this treatment, you may feel worse, and you may even have an increased temperature. This is a sign that the healing and cleansing process has begun. However, your well-being will improve after a few days. For this treatment to be effective, it should last about 3 months. If you choose this method, start with 5 minutes, then gradually increase the suction time to 20 minutes. 4. Compresses with heated salt or mustard. Pour kitchen salt or fill mustard seeds into fabric bags. Heat them in a pan or oven, and apply them to your cheeks and forehead. Salt and mustard should not be too hot to avoid burns. Repeat the compresses several times a day. 5. Shiatsu massage. Sinus problems can be alleviated by a so-called shiatsu massage, which involves massaging the point between the eyebrows, the upper parts of the eye sockets, above the eyeballs, and places on both sides of the nose, near the bump on the nose, and next to the wings of the nose. After each treatment, you will feel that it is easier, you can breathe, your cold will go away, and your headache will ease. This massage lasts only 5 to 7 minutes. 6. Sea salt therapy. Sea salt therapy is a very effective method of treating sinuses. You can use it to prepare an inhalation, but it is better to prepare medicinal drops. To prepare them, mix half a cup of boiled water with a heaping tablespoon of sea salt. When the solution cools down, use it several times a day, 3 drops in each nostril. Salt has an antiseptic effect and moistens the dried, and therefore more susceptible to microbe attack, mucous membrane. It is also a good idea to thoroughly rinse your nostrils at least once a day. Pour it into a tube-shaped container, tilt your head back, plug one nostril, and suck in the liquid with the other. Then blow your nose vigorously and repeat the treatment for the other nostril. You can also find ready-made sea salt solutions in spray form at pharmacies. 7. Ensure proper room moisture. If you suffer from sinus problems, you should regularly moisturize the mucous membrane. Drink at least 1.5 liters of fluids every day: water, fruit teas, soups. Also, humidify the air in the apartment. Use electric humidifiers, stone, or just regularly wet towels placed on warm radiators. If you find this video interesting, share it with your friends.